Hey guys, this is King's West Province, and today we're going to show you how to spray paint an airsoft gun. The tools you will need are Krylon Camouflage Ultra Flat Spray Paint and blue painter's tape. You should get the 2-inch thick, but we only had 1 inch. Alright, so first thing you need to do is tape all the parts you don't want to be painted. A little bit on the barrel there. Do this real fast. Alright, so after you tape it all up and looking at it, you're satisfied with what you did, you're going to want to take your Krylon paint, ultra flat, you want to shake it. No, we didn't shake it the amount of, for how long you're supposed to. You're supposed to do it for 2 minutes. We're just going to do this and just go with it. Alright. Now, you want to go light strokes. You don't want to do those really heavy, thick strokes. Just enough to cover it. Because if you do those thick strokes, you're going to end up with dripping paint. You're going to kind of want to stay a little bit away from it, unlike what I'm doing, because I'm just trying to do this quick. Alright, once you get the first coat basically done, we can't really flip, actually, yeah we can. Alright. Here, get on this side, so I can do it into the one. Alright, now when it dries, this isn't completely dry, but it should look super flat, no reflection at all. Now see on the other side, I missed a little bit here, move back a bit. So just go back in there and touch it up. There, on top. Alright, now see, right here is what you don't want to do. You don't want to put too much because it'll start to look like it'll drip. But I think we'll be fine with this. Yeah, it looks like it'll be fine. Where? All right in there? Alright, yeah, I see it. Now once you get the initial coat on, like I said, do what the can says, wait 10-15 minutes. Do the mags. Yeah, no, I'm going to do the mags in a second. I gotta get the... Alright. Now you want to set this in a way that it can dry properly. Alright, yeah, that looks like it's good. Now we're going to go on to the mag. Standard 600 round high cap mag for the AK. You're going to want to do the same thing. But with this, you're gonna end up getting your hands all messed up anyways. Let's say with this, you can kind of skip around with the rules and just, I mean, it's only the mag. Yeah, that's a bad idea. You're gonna want to block off the BB hole and the BB pull thing for the quick release. I didn't do that, I didn't think of it. It should be fine though. Other thing is, you're gonna want to do this, but we can't because we can't get the spray paint right, or the tape right on it. Alright, there's one mag, and then, let me do this. Right where? Oh. Let that mag dry, you can just set it up like this, it'll stay up. Over there, alright. Now we got almost done here. Put over. And there you go. That is the proper way, for the gun at least, to, oh crap, just a little spot there. See, there, show right here. Starting to drip a little bit on the side there. You want to try and avoid that because you won't get a good, clean, flat finish. Let's try it. Scrape that a bit. Here, where's good tape. Yeah. Never do this with your gun when you do it because it will more than likely mess it up. But we're doing this because we're gonna put a second coat on it anyways. And I can deal with having the bottom of my pistol grip on my gun crappy. And there it is again. Oh well, screw it. Anyways, please rate and subscribe. We are going to be doing a video on this, doing the grip, the stock, the mag, and maybe the pistol grip. I don't know yet. We'll have to figure that out later. That was not my fault. Anyways, please comment, rate, subscribe, all that junk. Goodbye.